morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I am starting today with a strawberry shake. This is just water and ice. I didn't use the unsweetened almond milk because I don't have any left. I swear to God, there was a container in the fridge. I go to shake it up. It's empty. I don't know why. I must have put it back. I don't know. It's been sitting there. Can't believe it. Okay, so what a way to start the week. But I'm excited because today, my friend of, it's got to be close to 15 years, is starting her new job with me today. I got her a job in our building in the post-acute care center. She's going to be director of admissions. So I'm so excited for her. She's so excited. And our offices are right next to each other and we have a door that connects. So all I can tell you is it's going to be a blast and I'm so excited. So I'm heading out there now. It's a little early, but I want to, prep her office a little bit, make her feel welcome, maybe stop and get her some flowers. But oh my God, I'm so excited. And let me just show you this. This is one of those tops I got at TJ Maxx. It's like a sleeveless or a short sleeve or capped sleeve, and I have it underneath my black blazer, and I decided to wear my Gucci belt with it, so I'm looking pretty sharp today. And I have on cigarette pants, cuffed at the bottom with some high heel boots on. So excited. And yeah, this is Jersey wear, black. That's all I can say. It's like my favorite color to wear. All right, so let's head out to work and the day is going to start right now. And by the way, this is the next day. I'm sorry. Yesterday was a little nutso. So that's why I'm wearing something else, because now we're on Tuesday, the 19th of April. So I want to show you on my shelves how I stay organized being on Optavia at work. So let's pull the camera around and show you. Okay, so in this basket that I got at TJ Maxx, I have another one down here. I keep Fuelings. As you can see, I'm not limited. I have a ton. And I have these. I have bars and macaroni and cheese and all kinds of things that I keep here on my shelf. And then I'm gonna take you over here because in this little drawer here, I have coffee pods, extras, and here, coffee pods. And you guys know that I have been steering away from coffee now, so whoever in my office here wants to come have some can. So I keep my hot chocolate here because, I mean, how convenient. And yesterday I made chicken noodle soup, and just adding some hot water into a cup with the soup. And yeah, so let's head back over this way. And for those of you who have never seen my office, here it is. This is the office. It's so nice. I love it here. It's cozy. I have Alexa. Alexa, play 80s music.
The station, all 80s, free on Amazon Music.
All right. So anyway, that's the office. And this is a little pop-up card that Brittany got me. Look how cute this is. It folds. Adorable. And the glasses that I painted. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. And I'm gonna pick a Fueling out now and have it. What's this one? Let's have this. We're gonna have oatmeal.